Meguiar's makes a wide variety of products for a wide range of users. But today, we're going to prove that anyone can polish like a pro using the Meguiar's MT300 dual action polisher to create the ultimate swirl-free show car finish. It can be a bit overwhelming knowing where to begin when it comes to choosing one of many compounds, polishes, or waxes Meguiar's offers. So we are going to show you how the trio of Meguiar's ultimate compound, ultimate polish, and ultimate wax is a surefire way to deliver the ultimate results using the MT300 dual action polisher. While operating a DA polisher, there are 3 key techniques to pay attention to. First, always be sure to monitor how much pressure you put on the machine, allowing for the backing plate to continue spinning at all times. You will find that keeping the pad flat against the paint will also help provide maximum effectiveness and keep the pad spinning. Second, continually clean the disc or pads as you work using either compressed air or a soft nylon brush to ensure maximum performance at all times. Third, make sure that you're working a small 2 foot by 2 foot section at a time with 3 to 5 overlapping passes. A good rule of thumb is to divide panels either in half or in thirds and work them in sections. Working too large of an area reduces effectiveness and can actually take longer and use more product. The first thing you want to do before polishing is thoroughly wash and dry your car. Next, inspect the paint for above surface bonded contaminants, and if necessary, clay the car with Meguiar's smooth surface clay kit to prep the surface for compounding, polishing, or waxing. Now, identify the condition of your paint. If your finish is defect and swirl-free, you can go straight to applying a coat of protection by using Meguiar's Ultimate Liquid Wax and a Meguiar Soft Buff DA finishing disc. Set the speed to 3,800 OPMs. Apply the product directly to the disc and place on the surface. Begin spreading the wax evenly and thoroughly using light pressure. Reapply the wax as needed until the entire vehicle has a thin, even coat. After curing for approximately 3 to 5 minutes, perform what we call the swipe test by simply swiping the wax residue with your finger and inspecting to see if the wax is completely removed. If it streaks, it needs more time to cure. If it's clean and clear, proceed in removing the wax from the vehicle. When removing the wax, be sure to fold the microfiber towel into fourths, which will allow you to turn the towel to use a clean side for the final wipe on each section. This will help reduce the likelihood of buildup in the towel, possibly leading to streaking. To remove light swirl marks or to add additional gloss prior to waxing, start by applying a coat of Meguiar's Ultimate Polish. Set the MT300 speed between 4,800 and 5,800 OPMs. Attach the Meguiar Soft Buff DA polishing disc to the backing plate and apply Ultimate Polish. Then place the disc flat on the paint and turn the machine on to begin polishing. Work each 2 foot by 2 foot area with 3 to 5 passes using light to moderate pressure. Reapply and continue with polishing as needed. Use a Meguiar Supreme Shine microfiber towel and wipe away the Ultimate Polish residue to reveal a swirl-free finish. After polishing, you will want to add long-lasting protection by applying a coat of Meguiar's Ultimate Liquid Wax using a Meguiar Soft Buff DA foam finishing disc. For stubborn defects like moderate to heavy swirl marks, stains, scratches, or water spots, you will need to begin by using Meguiar's Ultimate Compound paired with a Meguiar Soft Buff DA foam cutting disc. Set the MT300 speed between 4,800 and 5,800 OPMs. Attach the cutting disc to the backing plate and apply Ultimate Compound. Place the disc flat on the paint and turn the machine on to begin buffing a 2 foot by 2 foot area using moderate pressure with 3 to 5 passes and each overlapping by 50%. Reapply and continue compounding as needed to remove all defects. As an optional step after compounding to further refine the finish and increase shine, follow the Ultimate Compound step with Meguiar's Ultimate Polish on a yellow DA soft foam polishing disc using the same polishing technique and settings. This step should take your paint to the next level and leave it ready for wax. After polishing, don't forget to add long-lasting protection by applying a coat of Meguiar's Ultimate Liquid Wax using a Soft Buff DA foam finishing disc. There you have it. You learned how to polish like a pro in less time using the Meguiar's MT300 Dual Action Polisher, the Soft Buff DA Low Profile Discs, and Meguiar's Ultimate Trio of Compound, Polish, and Wax. For additional detailing tips and techniques, visit Meguiars.com.